All right, we are off for morning cruise errands. All right, first stop of the day is the post office. I need to pick up a mail hold slip to fill out, so they'll hold our mail while we're gone. Check our P.O. box, and then I'm gonna be off to the bank, get some cash out for our cruise to take with us and put in my budgeting envelopes that some of you may know about. So I'll be doing a video on that here as well. Then I need to go pick up another pair of pants for Matthew. Yes, his dress pants for formal night. I bought him a pair a few days ago and he has already outgrown them. He tried them on, and once I washed them, they were tight to begin with, but now they won't even fasten. So the buttons. So anyways, off to find another pair of pants for him. Hopefully I can find a cheap pair on sale, because by the time we get back from the cruise, I'm sure he will have outgrown them again. That's how fast this kid's growing. So there you go. Just a few morning errands, then I'm going to come home. Jamie should be home from work. We're going to try on a few things that we might want to take on the cruise. Jamie has lost a lot of weight, so he needs to try on a few things to see what's going to fit him this time on the cruise. So we'll be doing that, getting our luggage out, and just kind of getting all the pre-packing things out and settled. There you go. And then we'll be there for a live for you at 6 p.m. All right, I got the mail hold and I'm going to fill this out and drop it off. All right, I got back in the car just in time. It is starting to rain. Yes, we are getting kind of a little bit of the aftermath of all the storms moving from, from the hurricanes. So it looks like it's probably going to get pretty rainy here later this afternoon. So we'll see. We can sure use it here. Bank complete. Now we are another step closer to our cruise. I feel like now I have cash. I'm ready to go. I want to go now. All right, off to find Matthew another pair of pants, and then I'm going to be heading home, and we are going to get everything ready to pack. All right, guys, I came for Matthew, but I couldn't pass up the clearance rack, so there you go. I found a few things I might want to try on, so couldn't resist. So there you go. We'll see how I make out. Success. I found success at Kohl's. I was able to get Matthew a pair of pants, not on clearance, but on sale, so not too bad. And I even found a couple things for myself on clearance, so I'm excited. So there you go. Now I'm heading home, and we are going to try on a few things and get the luggage out and get packing. All right, our day is winding down. We have tried on several outfits just to kind of see what we plan to take. Jamie actually needed to try on a few things. As you know, he's lost a lot of weight, and so he needed to try on some things to kind of see what was going to fit him. So we have a lot of our things hung up here. This is what we do once we decide what we're going to be bringing. We start just hanging things up here, and then when we're ready to pack, they're ready to pack. So like I said, a lot of things are there. We have our luggage down. We got our luggage down. It's laying out here on our table. We just kind of start setting things in here for a couple of days. And then on Thursday, we'll actually be packing the luggage, how it will be packed for the trip. Thursday night, we'll be packing. So right now, we're just kind of collecting things, setting things here, just getting it ready. One thing I came across that I had forgotten, a new kind of thing we used last cruise that came in really handy, was this shoe thing here. We took this and hung in the closet to put our shoes in, and it was really a great space saver on the cruise.
Why don't you show us how it works, Sharon?
So, we hung it in the closet on the cruise, but it just hangs up like that. So it folds up, fits nicely in the suitcase. So everything's here. We bought a few things. Here's a few extra things we just picked up for Matthew. Some new swimming trunks and a couple new shirts because he's grown out of things. We had to get him a couple new pairs of flip-flops as well because his feet would not fit in his other ones from like just last month. So anyways, there we go. We are getting set, and we got the luggage scale ready too, because we're gonna have to be weighing this luggage before we take off to the airport.
Oh yeah, we will.
That's right. So there you go. hope you enjoyed our day, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more cruise prep. So see you tomorrow. Happy cruising.